This is how I changed my part on my Uniwigs Willow Wig. I wanted a right side part, I decided, and I also needed to fix that little swoop on the side. So first we'll work on the part. Very easy with a spray bottle of water and a blow dryer. So now I'm going to use my hot comb and start straightening out this side that's flipped up. I want it straight like the other side. So first I needed to go over it and just get it straight. And then the hot comb has this rounded edge, and I was able to also pull the hair under a little bit. So I'll show you how I did that. Here I'm starting to pull it under. See how it has that round edge on it? I thought that was really, really cool. I didn't even notice that when I bought the hot comb, so it's really a great feature. Y'all probably all knew about it already, but I didn't. I learned something new. So I just dampen it with a little water, and then I just keep going over it with the hot comb. So now I just need to finish it with the flat iron, and it will look much better. I didn't show that in this video, but hey, don't forget my code. It's Lisa15. You can save 15% site-wide at uniwigs.com.